Morning, my dear students. Class, today I'm starting with the same topic that we discussed in list, and it was not clear that time, so I am explaining it again. D is equals to 2 comma 3 comma 4 I have taken. Next line I have taken B is equals to D. Then both the B and D will result this. Now we are doing the change in the value of 0 position. So you will see that both the zero position value is changed. You can see here. You can see here both the value has been changed. Now moving forward, I have created another duplicate of the list using list option, not directly. Here I have used that directly, here I have used using list. Now what will happen? You can see that both will become the same, but when we are changing the 0 position element of E, then only the value of E is changing, not of D. So we can say that on writing directly like this, it will not make the copy, it will make the image of it. But if we are using like this, then it will make the copy of it. In copy, these are two different lists, but while doing this, it is creating an image. Whatever the changes in B will be there, same will be there in D. Next example, one more example I have made. If we are giving this, then we are printing B. If we delete the element from B, it is getting delete from D also. Are you getting? अगर हम लोग D से वैल्यू B से वैल्यू हटाते हैं, यानी डिलीट करते हैं इस प्रोसेस के दौरान, तो D से भी हट जाएगा. So this is the difference between copying and forming the image of the list. Now class, today we will start with the tuple. In tuple, there are different types. You all know tuple is immutable sequence, and same as list, we can have empty tuple, we can have with one member, we can have different type, integer and floating value, we can have characters only, mixed type and the string type. Now talking about creating a tuple, this is the way to create a tuple. In list, it is something this bracket to create an empty tuple, and the value tuple with the value you will write this bracket 1 comma 2 comma and so on. Maximum things are the same. If we are writing like this simple tuple, we are creating with single element, it will display like this. But if we write comma after it, it will form a tuple. This is the difference. One comma should be there. Now the same things are there. If we create tuple like this, each character will be the element of the tuple. If we are giving like this. Now if we have a tuple, if we have a list, we want to convert into tuple, this method we will use. This is the way to enter a tuple, but each character will be the separate element like this. But if we use eval, then it will form as a tuple. List versus tuple, length, indexes, slicing, membership, concatenation, all are same as the list. Now accessing also, accessing the element same as the list. We will use this bracket only because this is the bracket for index. If you are writing 4 and here writing the variable, then fourth element of the tuple will get display. The difference is, you all know, immutable. We cannot change the tuple element. Traversing using a for loop is the best method. A in T and print TA, then each element will get display one by one. Joining of tuple, we can do this. Two tuple can be add up. Repeating, this also you have done. अगर टपल में 3 एलिमेंट है उसको हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वो 3 बार डिस्प्ले करा देगा. Slicing is same as same, start, stop and gap also you can give. Here you can see they have given gap also, same as list, nothing new to tell you. Unpackaging, suppose we have a tuple like this and I want to initialize each element to the different variable, then I will use this method. While using this will become W, this will become X, this will become Y and this will become Z, and when we will display, it will display like this. Class, on doing practical only we can understand these things. Now function, length, you all know, max you all know, min you all know. Index, in index 5, what is the index of 5? It is 2. Count 2, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. I hope you all are understanding, class. So class, finally we have finished tuple also, and you go through it, do it practically, some of the operations that you have never done before, and send me the work. That's all, class.